Alright, I got my Hamilton Beach Spiralizer. This is my second unboxing. First one, hit the power button, nothing happened. Whoops. Our start guide. Install cone into holder by aligning the dots with shaded area of the cone holder. Place cone holder in the base. Place food. Shoot on base and turn clockwise. To lock into place, place food in the center of the chute and press food pusher grip down until it pierces the food. Turn on the spiralizer and apply light, constant pressure to spiralize. There, it's official. Something to clean it. Oops, Houston, we have a problem. Spaghetti slicer. Alright. This is a fettuccine to the left, to the right. This is my spaghetti. Stick garbage in there. Create spirals and ribbons quickly and easily. Handy lid. We're locked in. All right, stick in our spaghetti spiralizer. Whoa, it works. It's a miracle. The first one I had didn't do that. Thank you, Google.